Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone, on this sunny afternoon. First of all, let us obey prayers and gratitude to God Almighty. He has given favor so that we can gather on this occasion in a happy state without lacking anything. The Honorable Principal of Islamic Junior High School, and who I also respect, the entire academic committee of Islamic Junior High School. I, Rahmarita Wiguna, a representative of the A grade. I'm very grateful because on this occasion I have been given the chance to give a few words about how I got in trouble with my parents. Ladies and gentlemen, problems with parents will have a bad impact. However, our relationship with them will not be good. One day I made some questionable decisions that landed me in trouble with my parents. Without divulging too much, I deviated from their expectations and found myself in a situation I hadn't anticipated. When my parents discovered what happened, it became evident that I had disappointed them. Confronting disappointment wasn't just about breaking the rules but betraying the trust they had in me. Facing the consequences led to heartfelt conversations with my parents. We discussed church responsibility and the importance of open communication. This experience became a turning point, teaching me the true value of family and the significance of maintaining a honest dialogue. While the incident wasn't pleasant, the lessons learned contributed to personal growth, emphasizing the importance of thoughtful decision making and considering the impact on those who care about me. Hoping not to disappoint them further and create problems that have a bad impact. Hope that the relationship with parents will be good like a perfect family without any disputes. We must obey parents and do not argue with them. In conclusion, getting in trouble with my parents, though challenging, became irresponsible for personally individually. It underscored the importance of family exchange and the need for responsible decision making. Maybe that's all from me in how I get in trouble with my parents. Again, don't create problems with parents. Thank you for. I apologize if they are not pleasing to the audience. Please be open, you stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.